Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making something super delicious. We're making prawn paste pork ribs. They're pungent in a great way, crispy, crunchy, and so juicy. You don't need too many ingredients for this dish. Some aromatics, some cooking wine, and of course prawn paste. That's the star of the show. Prawn paste isn't the best smelling, but when used in cooking, it's a umami bomb. This is my favorite part of the recipe, smashing lemongrass with a heavy-duty cleaver. If you try this at home, make sure your table is strong enough to support the smashing. Otherwise, you'll spend the rest of your day cleaning. These pork ribs don't take too long to marinate since the prawn paste is so potent. 2 hours is more than enough. Using a combination of regular flour and some potato starch will give you a nice light and crunchy crust. Pack these in as tightly as you can, then shake off any excess flour. Before you prepare the ribs, heat up some oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. As always, be careful when deep frying anything with moisture. I had all the windows opened and my kitchen smelled like delicious prawn ribs for half a day. So if you're cooking these, make sure you turn on the vents and open all your windows. I couldn't wait to try one, and you may not see it on my face, but it definitely burned my mouth. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I'll see you guys in the next one.